YouTube 何の名前でやってるんですか？
私、ナチュ少女です。
Hey guys, welcome back to Natsu Shoujo channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe me so you can watch various videos about Japan every week from me. I've been learning Nihongo, aka Japanese language, since I moved to Japan. One of my classmates is from Iran and his brother has a halal restaurant in Kyoto. Since it's quite close to my apartment, I go there and try some. And luckily, the restaurant is just opened so I can talk to him. Let's meet him. Wow, you got treat at Pfizer!
Yeah, it is 2016 number 4 in Japan and 2018 and 17 excellent in Japan. It is Muslim friendly, then this place 100% halal, no pork, all the beef. Any Muslim can eat this food. Where it has the Persian food, Indian food, you can enjoy the both. No have holiday, every day open. Every Saturday night also have 7:30 belly dance show. You can look in the free and eat the food only. The charge only for the food, no charge. Yeah, sure, why not? Of course. Minna, zei, kite kudasai. Arash's kitchen.
Finally, my mutton is ready. The soup is creamy and rich of spice. The mutton is so soft and I can just swallow it like I don't have to chew it. Wow, my husband also loves it. Oh my! That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to share this video to your Muslim friends and families who want to go to Japan. And also, please subscribe Natsu Shoujo to get more fun and informative videos about Japan. See ya!